Good evening, children.
Good evening, sir.
So, how are you all today?
I am fine, sir.
Very good. So, today I'm here to ask you some questions from grammar,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So, my first questions would be from verb,
Yes, sir.
second would be from article, and third would be from
Gender.
gender. Who can define verb? Supriya.
A verb is a word that an action
That
position
shows.
that's no sir. That's an action position or state of being.
Right. How many kinds of verb, sweetie?
2.
Tell me one by one.
Main verb, helping verb.
Okay. What is main verb, Manvi?
These are the verb. These are the verb man. These are the verb man action or a state in sentence.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is helping verb, Ria?
These are the verb help the main verb from to possessive voice mode tense etc.
But it is incomplete definition. Sweetie, what is helping verb?
These are the verbs help main verb to form tenses, sentences, passive, voice mode, etc.
Passive,
Passive.
passive voice.
Passive voice mode, etc.
Okay, right. Write in an example. I'm just telling you to write a sentence there. Take the marker. Ria, take the marker and write a sentence there. I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. Cricket. Give full stop. अब इसमें बताओ किसमें से पहले वर्ब को सर्कल करो. दिव्या, take the marker and circle the verb first of all. Circle the main verb and underline the helping verb. हाँ, माइक लगाओ. चलो अब बता मुझे एम कौन सा वर्ब है.
हेल्पिंग वर्ब.
वहां देखो, वहां पे देख के बताओ. आप इंडिकेट करो ना, मार्कर से इंडिकेट करो. एम क्या है?
हेल्पिंग वर्ब.
और प्लेइंग क्या है?
मेन वर्ब.
Right. So did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. What is gender? Alka, what is gender?
A word that denotes about male and female noun is called gender.
Male or female noun is called?
Gender.
How many kinds of gender? Supriya,
4.
tell me one by one.
Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender.
What is neuter gender, Manvi?
A word denotes
A word that denotes
a word that denotes lifeless to
lifeless, not leafless.
non-living thing or lifeless
Lifeless.
to is called noun or
Neuter gender.
neuter gender.
Example.
Marker, book, marker, pen, book, etc.
Okay, right. Divya, what is common gender?
A word that denotes about both male or female noun is called common gender.
Example.
Doctor, a student.
Okay, very good.
It is
What is masculine gender, Alka?
A word that denotes about male noun is called masculine gender.
Give me two example.
Brothers, fathers, dog, etc.
Okay, what is feminine gender, Ria?
A word that denotes about male noun is called feminine gender.
Male noun.
No, female noun is called feminine gender. Example: sister, mother, etc.
Sister, mother, etc. Okay, absolutely correct. Okay, my last questions would be from article, right? Yes, sir. So, who can define article? Sweetie, what is article?
An article is a word that
Shows.
shows whether a thing is definite or indefinite. Article is also known as determiner and little adjective.
Absolutely correct.
Yes.
Yes. How many kinds of article, Alka?
Two.
Tell me one by one.
Definite article and indefinite article.
Okay. So, tell me the example of. Tell me 5 example of definite article, Divya. Manvi. Tell me 5 examples with their rules of definite article.
The
Is used before
use before the name of famous river.
famous river. No, rivers only.
River
Tell me the examples.
Ganga, the Amuna,
Okay, tell me another rule, Ria, and you have to also make 2 sentences.
The famous of
We use the before
the use before the famous of
the names of.
before the names of famous building.
Love side from there. Famous building.
Taj Mahal, Red Fort, etc.
Only Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal.
Only Taj Mahal we have to use.
The Taj Mahal is situated in Agra.
The Red Fort.
The Red Fort is situated in Delhi.
Delhi, no, Delhi.
Delhi, etc.
Okay. Make a 2. Okay, tell me the rule of indefinite article, Supriya.
indefinite. I have a book.
स्पीक लॉर्डली. थोड़ा इधर आ जाओ. इंडिपेंडेंट आर्टिकल का एग्जांपल बताओ. टेल मी फास्ट. हु कैन से? ओके, बताओ.
I have a book.
आई हैव अ बुक इज इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल देयर ना.
Yes, sir.
ओके. एंड का यूज हम लोग कहाँ करते हैं?
And can use
हाँ,
independent
विथ
vowel sound.
vowel sounds. Okay, Manvi, write the vowel sound there. vowel कितने होते हैं लिख के दिखाओ मुझे. Not working. बड़ा बड़ा लिखो. A E. ओके. A E I O U. जब वोवल साउंड रहेंगे तो हम लोग क्या लगाएंगे? A N. Right.
Yes, sir.
Make an example there with vowel sound. Marker is working or not? Now look at the mark. Is it working? Side from there. What did you write there? I have told you to write the example with vowel sound. P is a vowel sound there. What did you write there? I have an apple. Right. Sweetie, take the marker and write another example of. Yes. With the vowels, you have to vowel sound. You have to make a sentence there. I have an ox. मैंने पहले भी पढ़ाया था आप लोगों को कि कभी कभी क्या होता है, वॉवल साउंड नहीं होते, लेकिन फिर भी वो लग रहा है कि वो वॉवल साउंड हमें देते हैं। उस तरीके से रिलेटेड कौन सेंटेंस बना पाएगा? Now can you write there? Right. Take the marker and write. हाँ, वॉवेल साउंड पता नहीं चलना चाहिए, लेकिन जब उसको प्रोनाउंसिएट करेंगे तो उसमें एन साउंड मींस वॉवेल साउंड उसमें आना चाहिए। Did you write there? Did you write? Give me the marker. So here is an example there. I am an honest. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Here is H is a what? ये कॉन्सोनेंट है, बट ये साउंड कौन सा दे रहा है? वोवल्स का साउंड दे रहा है। एन ऑनेस्ट, क्या पढ़ेंगे इसको?
Honest.
क्या पढ़ेंगे?
Honest.
ऑनेस्ट, राइट।
Yes, sir.
एक एग्जांपल और लिख सकते हैं।
Yes.
Ram is an SDO. Ram is an SDO. Means हम फरसी दुर्गई में आ रहा है ना ये।
Yes, sir.
ऑनेस्ट, कोई कोई होता है हॉनेस्ट पढ़ता है, लेकिन ऑनेस्ट पढ़ेंगे। एसडीओ आ रहा है कि नहीं?
Yes.
ऑनेस्ट आ रहा है कि नहीं? तो उसके पहले एन का यूज हम लोग करेंगे, राइट?
Yes, sir.
ओके। So my dear students, so how was your class today?
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
So I'm pretty happy today.
Yes, sir.
I'm also very happy. Actually, exceptionally, some of the students have replied the questions
Yes.
well, but if any student couldn't reply well, then they will try in their next class. See you in the next class, right?
Yes, sir.
That's enough.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.